Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new code challenging, and we are in the second one, and today we will write a program that, you know, adds up two numbers. If I have a number from the user and another, it will be a sum of two numbers, 1 plus 1 equals 2, quick maths. So let's get started. You can pause the video and try by yourself, but now I will start. Okay, so first of all, what I need is introduce a variable in my system, and a first variable it will be the number one, and or first number, something like this. And uh, I will need the input function for the user can introduce a number in the software. And okay, so enter enter with the first with the first enter the first number. So enter the first number. Okay, so when the user enter the first number, it will be converted to a string. So what we need here is to convert again to an integer number and close the brackets here, because we will need the integer, not letters. We need numbers to sum with other numbers. We can't just add a string to another, instead of you know just do some maths. So that's it. And now I will need the same code here. If I just copy here and paste, I will have my second number, integer input, enter the second number. Okay, so here I have like all the user need will be here, and now we need the back end stuff. So the sum of two numbers is really easy. You need the first number plus the second number. And when I print all this stuff, the sum of two numbers is something like this, and the comma here, and now I use the S. What I'm doing here is just printing the sum of two numbers, or are these both numbers, or the sum is. I can do something like the sum is, to let this equal sign, and the sum is, print this string and then print S. What is S? S is first number plus second number converted to integer. Two can be operated. And when I have this code here, if I run the software, enter the first number, for example 5, and the second number 5, the sum is 10. Okay, it's right, it's working pretty well, and that's what we need in this code challenge. So that's it, and thanks for watching.